today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a board. Whether you're reusing a successful layout, preserving a snapshot before making big changes, or creating a template for your team, duplicating a board is a fast, reliable way to save time and keep your work organized. We'll keep this simple and clear. Start by opening the board you want to copy. Make sure you're in the correct workspace or project area so you don't accidentally duplicate the wrong thing. If you're navigating from a dashboard or home screen, select the board by its name and wait for it to fully load. It helps to glance over the contents to confirm it's the right board. Look at the title, sections, and a couple of key items so you're confident you're copying exactly what you need. Once the board is open, look to the top right corner of the screen for the three-dot menu, sometimes called the Options or More menu. It typically looks like three vertical dots. This menu collects extra actions that aren't shown as large buttons. If you're on a smaller screen or using a mobile app, the menu might be tucked into a toolbar, but it will still appear toward the top area of the board view. Click that three-dot menu to reveal your available actions. Now choose Duplicate Board. Depending on your platform, it may be labeled Duplicate, Make a Copy, or Clone, but it will clearly indicate that it creates a copy of the current board. When you select it, the system prepares a new board based on the original. In many tools, the duplicate includes the board's structure and items, and it may add a copy of prefix to the title so you can spot it easily. Some platforms might show a brief message or a progress indicator while the copy is created. After a moment, you'll see the duplicated board appear, typically in the same workspace as the original. Open it and take a quick look to make sure the sections and items you expected are there. If the platform applies default naming or placements, you can adjust those later to suit your workflow. Keep in mind that certain elements, like activity history, assignments, or integrations, may or may not carry over depending on your tool's settings. If you don't see the duplicate option, you might need the right permissions, or you may be in a view that hides advanced actions. Try switching to the main board view or checking with an admin. That's all there is to it. Open the board, click the three-dot menu, and select Duplicate Board. Simple, consistent, and a real time saver.